Hello everyone, welcome to Zelanong Education. Today we're going to discuss about income, expenditure, and saving. Here in the first question, we have a man spends a part of his income, monthly income, and save a part of it. The ratio of his expenditure to his saving is 23 is to 3. If his monthly income is 7250, what is the amount of his monthly saving? So here a man spends we have here expenditure is to saving is 26 is to 3. We know that income equal to expenditure plus saving, which is 26 plus 3, which is 29. So his income is 29, that is rupees 7250, because we have 7250 here. So if 29 gives 7250, it is multiplied by 29 into 250. So if one gives 250 and his saving 3 will be 250, 25, 3, 75, 0, 750 is his monthly saving. So the option C is the correct answer. The next question we have a person saves 10% of his income, and after 1 year his income is less by 20%, but his saving remains the same. Then what the increase in his expenditure is? So let us consider a man has rupees 100. He has 100 rupees. So his saving is rupees 10, because he saved income. He saved 10% of his income. That is 10% of rupees 100 is 10. So his expenditure would be 90. But in the next year, his income is increased by 20%. So 20% of 100 is 20. So his new income will be 120. But in this case, his saving remains the same. Saving remains the same. So his saving will be rupees 10, and his expenditure will be rupees 110. Here the increase is rupees 20. So his increase in the expenditure is 20 divided by 90 into 100. So after cancelling this, we have 200% divided by 9, that is 22.22%. So our answer is option B. In the next question, we have the salary of A salary is 40% more than B. That is, A is 140 divided by 1. So if A expenditure is 140, B expenditure will be 100. In the next, B salary is 30% less than C. So if C expenditure is 100, then B expenditure will be 70, because 30% less. After cancelling, we have 7 by 10. Here, after cancelling, 7 by 5. 7 by 5. But we have to know that the salary of B is same. So here, our salary of B is 5. Here, it is 7. So we need to make this equal. How are we going to make this equal? We are going to multiply by 5 here, and we have to multiply here by 7. That is 35. We have 35 here. We have 35 here. But when we multiply here by 5, we also have to multiply here by 5. So that is 5 times the 50. Here 7 again. We have 7 times the 49. So our income ratio of A is to B is to C is 49 is to 35 is to 50. So in the next part of the question, we have the difference between the salary of C and A is rupees 1200. So here the difference between A and C is 1. For 50 minus 49 is 1. So if 1 unit is equal to 1200, then what is the monthly income of C? This 50 will be multiplied by 1200. That is 60,000. So our correct answer is option B. Here, in the next question, we have the ratio of the income of Chitan and Dinesh is 3 is to 4. So we have income Chitan is to Dinesh is 3 is to 4. The ratio of their expenditure is 5 is to 7. So let's say here expenditure and their expenditure ratio is 5 is to 7. If each one of them saves rupees 200, so the saving will be 200 to 200. In this type of question, we have to know that if both of them have equal saving, that means their gap should be equal. Here we have one gap, but we have two gap. 7 minus 5 is 2. We have to make this equal. How are we going to make this equal? We have to multiply here by 2. So we have 1 into 2 is 2. We have now we have the same gap. 2 is 2 and 2. So if you multiply here by 2, you have to multiply here again by 2 and 2. That is 6 and 4 to the 8. So now the difference. Let's see the difference here. 8 minus 1. 8 minus 7 is 1. 3, 6, 6 minus 5 is 1. So we have equal saving here. As the question mentioned, they have each one of them save rupees 200. So if one unit gives rupees 200, then this income of Chitan and Dinesh will be multiplied here by 200. That is 8 to the 16, 1600. And here for Chitan we have into 200, that is 6 to the 12. Therefore, Chitan income is 1200 and Dinesh income will be 1600. So let us look at the option we have. So here we don't have any options of 1200 and 1600. The correct answer will be none of this. The next question, let's see. Two men, Omar and Boban, have the ratio of the income 6 is to 5. So income between Omar and Boban will be 6 is to 5. And the ratio of their monthly income, monthly expenditure here is 4 is to 3. So Bhuvan saved 1/4 of his income. Here, the Bhuvan saving is 1/4 of his income. That is 5. Income is 5. So we have to multiply here, divide 5 by 4. But if we divide here by 4, we're going to get fraction. So in order to save us from fraction, inconvenience of fraction, we simply multiply here by 4. If we multiply here by 4, then we have multiply here by 4. This is 20. Here we have 20 divided by 4. Income is same. Here, if you multiply here by 4, then here you have to multiply here by 4. It is 6 4 to 24. Income of A is 24. Income of B is 20. So the savings of B will be 420 divided by 4 is 5. So the saving of Bhuvan will be 5. So the difference between the income and saving will be the expenditure of Bhuvan. So 20 minus 5 is 15. But here we have the income of the expenditure of Bhuvan is 3. But we have to make it into 15. So multiply here by 5. So now we have 15, which is equal. So if we multiply here by 5 in Bhuvan, you have to multiply in Amar also here 5. That is 4 5 the 20. Now for the saving, we need to subtract the income of Amar and the expenditure of Amar. That is 24 minus 20 is 4. Hence the ratio of the savings of Amar and Bhuvan is 4 is to 5, which is option A. So in the last question we have the ratio of the income of A and B as well as B and C is 3 is to 2. If 1/3 of the A incomes exceed 1/4 of the C's income by rupees 1000, find the income of B. Here we have income of A and B is 3 is to 2. Here B is to C is 3 is to 2. So but we know that the income of B is same. But here we have 2 and 3. So how are we going to make it equal? Just multiply here by 3, multiply here by 4. We have 3 to the 6 and 3 to the 6. Now it is equal. So if you multiply here by 3, you have to multiply here by 3 here. So 3 3 is a 9. And here if you multiply here by 2, you should multiply here by 2. That is 4. Now the ratio of the income of A is to B is to C is 9 is to 6 is to 4. The question is saying if 1/3 of A income and X is 1/4 of the income, of C. That is, here we have 1/3 of A minus 1/4 of C, which is rupees 1000. 1000. So 1/3 of A is 9. So 1/3 into 9 minus 1/4 into C is 4. That is 4. So 3 is a 9. 3 or 4 for the 1. So 3 minus 1 equal to 2. 2 is rupees. 2 unit is equal to rupees 1000. That is 2 into 500 is 1000. So if 1 unit is 500, then the income of B, we need to find out the income of B. Income of B is 6. So 6 into 500. 6 5 the 30. 0 0. This 3000. Therefore, the correct option is A. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe and share this video. Thank you.